Time we solve this question, let's continue. Karen has two spools of wire. Each spool had 15 and 7/8 of yards of wire. Karen used 3 yards of wire from each spool. How many yards of wire were left on the spools? When you look at the our created expression and look at the answer options, it will be matched with H as an horizon. So it's good to have creating expression skills for this question. One weekend, Craig and Darius shoveled the snow, earned spending money. Together they earned $12.50 an hour for 9 hours of work. Each received half of the total earning. If the Craig then spent $15 on a new CD, what was the total amount he had left in dollars and cents from the money he earned shoveling snow that weekend? So let's look at here. Together they earn $12.50 and they share evenly, so it's going to be $6.25. Barely Craig earned with $6.25 on that weekend per hour. And he worked how many hours? 9 hours. $6.25 times 9 will give us 5 times 9, which is 45, carry 4. 2 times 9, which is 80, plus 4 will give you 22, carry 1. 6 times 9, which is 54, plus 1 will give you $55. Sorry, 5 times 9, which is 45, carry 4. 2 times 9, which is 18, plus 4, 22, you carry 2. 6 times 9, which is 54, plus 2 will give you 56. So he earned total $56.25 because of his working 9 hours, and he spent $15 for CD. So let's see how much money he left off. Take away $15 as a whole. I'm going to put decimal place as 0 to make the calculation properly. The decimal part won't change because we have zeros over here. 6 minus 5 will give you 1. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So he left off $41.25. For this kind of open-ended question, you need to go through with the formal way. Have your answer in the exact with exact solution. For this kind of question, I suggest you to do not make a shortcut. No shortcut. Next one. Andrew plays on a basketball team. In 2 games, he scored 2/5 of the total number of the points his team scored. His team scored 55 points in the first game and 35 points in the second game. What was the number of points Andrew scored in these 2 games? If you are a regular student, not get used to apply test technique, you probably start with 2/5. What is the 2/5 of 55? And then plus 2/5 of 35, and you do calculation and add them up. Probably you spent more time, more than 3 minutes. However, if you read the question carefully and if you are as a good test taker, here in total 2 games, the team made how many points? 55 plus 35 will give you 90 points, right? And he made 2/5 of total points. So what is it? 2/5 of 90 will give you, simple, here, 5 goes into 90, you can have like 18 times 2. In this case, I'm going to do straight multiplication of fractions. 2 times 90, which is 180. Over 5. Now we gotta simplify this answer. So how we gotta do that? 180 in the box, 5 outside the box. I'm gonna have different color here. 5 goes into 18 3 times. 3 times, which is 15, 3 remainder. 5 goes into 30, how many times? 6 times, so no remainder. So our answer is going to be what? 36, C as in cat. So if you read the question carefully and if you get the instruction in a correctly, instead of having more steps, you can have done as quick as possible. What do I suggest for you for this kind of questions? Read the question and look at carefully what is asking for, add the points and multiply by the total amount, and you will have your answer. One more question. Jackie has a puzzle book that contains a total of 65 puzzles. She has completed 2/5 of the puzzles in the book. So let's find out 2/5 of the 65 over 1. You will have 5 goes into 65 13 times, and 13 times 2 will give you 26. So he has done 26 parts. So let's look at the second statement is given by second sentence. If Jackie completed 13 more puzzles, he solved 13 more puzzles. What is the total number of the puzzle that she will have completed in the book? Sorry, I mess up she or he, but she is gonna end up with 26 plus 13 will give you 39. What is the option is given 39, even solved by question, showing by question as solution, which is C as in cat. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.